showing you how to make paper squishies. So, the first part of making a paper squishy is making the outline. So, I'm going to make a panda bun. So, what I do is I fold the paper in half, and then I cut the circle, just so it's easier. But do it on the closed end, not on the open end, where it can open. Do the closed end, where you can't open it. So, I'm going to make a tiny panda bun. So, I'm going to fix it a little bit. Alright, so I have two halves now. I'm just going to cut in between the lines. And there we go. We have two halves that are exactly the same. But let me straighten up the bottom a little bit, because it's a little sharp. Okay, that part's done. Now that part's done. Okay, so next you want to get some stuffing. Now I don't have any stuffing. Oh wait, I have plastic bags. You can use plastic bags or actual stuffing. So let me go get some plastic bags because I forgot them. Okay, I got the paper bag. I got the plastic bag. But the material you will need for this is markers, tape, plastic bags, and paper, and scissors. So what you want to do next is you want to take your two halves, and you just want to rip apart a little bit of the plastic bag. Like that. Now that's too small, as you can see. So we need more. Okay. So let me see if that's enough. Nope, that is not enough. Okay. But let's put a face on it. Now I'm gonna put a normal panda bun face on it. Okay, there's my panda bun face, as you can see. But let's start tipping him up. But another way to put stuffing in here in it is by leaving just a little hole to stuff it in. So yeah. So you want to start at. I'm gonna put the stuffing in at the top. So I'm just gonna leave the top open like that. Okay, now I grab the other half. Okay. I just want to wrap it around the squishy. The paper. And you can clean up the edges later. But here's what we have right now. But it still needs some tape on it. So I'm just going to take a little piece and tape up the bottom like that. Okay, let me see. Is there anything? Okay, nope. There's nothing but the top. Perfect. Okay, now let's clean up the edges. Okay, so now that I'm done cleaning up the edges, we should be able to open up the little hole we made up here. Yep. So let's start putting in the stuffing. I'm so excited. I haven't made a paper squishy in so long because my mom basically banned them. I don't know why. We need a little bit more. What do you want, Emma? Are you being... Hold on, give me a second, guys. Okay, well, I guess my sister's up here now. So, yeah. That's great. Oh, there's a little hole in the bottom. Hold on, let me close that up with a little piece of tape. But yeah, my sister's really annoying, so you guys have to kind of deal with it because I can't do anything about it. It still needs a little bit more stuffing. Okay, I got some more. Still needs just a little bit more. Go bust me. Okay. Yeah, it's still not like good. Like it's still really flat. So let's put just a little bit. But let's put some more in. I keep on putting more and more and more. Wow, this little squishy can hold a lot. Like a lot. So I got this big piece. but I'm gonna rip it into some pieces. Because that's what you're supposed to do. It's not supposed to be like all in one. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this piece out of here because it's really dense and stuff, so yeah. But make sure not to put too much in or else it won't squish, you know? That's why I test it. Like, yeah, I think I'm gonna take a piece out. Alright. Now you want to close up the top. Okay. Okay, and you want to clean the edges again. Alright, and that's how you make a paper squishy. Alright, I love you guys so much. And like and subscribe. Let's try and get to 8 subscribers in this video. I love you all. Bye bye.